Well, hi everyone. Thank you for joining me once again at Floor Arts by Elsa. Today we're going to continue, like I said, with the same color series. And this is going to be different kind of hues or different kind of shades of the same color. If you saw my previous video, it was different shades of green. I am going to show you that piece. It's not completely dry. It has a little spot in the center that is still wet, but I'm going to show you that piece right now. And it turned out gorgeous. I mean, I am absolutely happy with this. So take a look at this piece. And you can see right in here is where it's still wet. But you can still appreciate, look at this. Gorgeous. What do you think? This was, I believe, very surprising. I love the outcome. Look at the shades of green, and then that 24 karat gold just gives it the right pop in the right places. The deep green gives that depth, creates depthness in the painting. So tell me, look at this, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So we're going to continue on with this color series that I have going on here on my channel. So the next, I'm going to be working again on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. My color for today will be red. Yes, because we are in the season. So red will be my next color. So shades of gray and gold. Okay, I can't wait to get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to quickly put my gloves on. And as you can see, I already have some paint down only because I was trying to finish what was in the bottle. So now we're going to go ahead and just flood our canvas and we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. I went ahead, I flooded my canvas. I forgot to tell you, I am flooding with titanium white by Artist Loft, okay? And we're gonna go ahead with our colors now. So the first color I am gonna be layering down is Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. Okay, and I am using kind of the same design, but I'm gonna do a wispy going up this way. Okay. Next color I'm layering right on top of that dark is Pyrrole Red by Amsterdam. And again, this Pyrrole Red will show up on a dark base. So that's why I put it on top. Okay. Next color I have is Pyrrole Red by Amsterdam. It's a beautiful red color. So we're layering that, and it is very festive. So that goes right on top. Oh, I love the color palette already. Next color I have is my 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Okay. Next color I have is Brilliant Red by Arteza. So this is shades of red. I am having fun with this series. Okay. Those are my colors. We're going to go ahead and pop those bubbles and the ones that have been surfacing on the white as well. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me just move these things out of the way. And I'm gonna start right over here. Gorgeous. Wow, how bold this one is. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow it out a little bit here. So I'm going to come around. I'm going to soften the edge here by just touching it. Okay. Beautiful. I love it. Wow. How beautiful this is. It's a lot of red. But I'm happy with it. I'm gonna leave it. What do you guys think? I'm gonna blow a little bit in here. Yeah, that's better. I think I want to blow that in a little bit. Okay. I'm going to find a way to blow it in a little bit here to create opening with the white. Other than that, I'm just going to clean up my edges. I think I love what I see. I am going to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone. So here she is. She is a bold and fiery one. I love it. Tell me what you guys think. I love the depth of that Quinacridone crimson throughout the painting. Love the little spots of gold. Take a look at that. Look at that. It is so rich. It is beautiful. Look at that petal. I love the little microcellular cells popping through here. The blanketing of the 24 karat gold. The outlining of the crimson. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to head down this petal. The burst of cells. Take a look at that. That's gorgeous. I think that's one of my favorite spots here. I love how the white and the red kind of made like that pinkish color, which is another shade you can get with that mixture. Look at the webbing in there. And like I said, look at that depth that the crimson is creating. I love how it branches out into like the soft colors on the petals, the edges. Look at that 24 karat gold shining through there. And again, another section that I am in love with. Look at that. Look at the cells, the lacing, the webbing, everything shows up here. The shine. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is another gorgeous piece. Tell me what you think about it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. If there is a color that you want me to do shades of, drop it in the comment section below and I will definitely try it out for you. Tell me what you think. Thank you for joining me here at Floor Arts by Elsa. If you have not subscribed, click on the subscription button. I will greatly appreciate that, and I appreciate all those of you that continue to support my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.